Yes, welcome back again, people. There another video by the river, guys. You don't like the river video them, so today we're there by the river same way. I do some more. Me and Niche the here to the people. Yeah, we have a cousin there here. Today we are gonna do, we have some chicken. We have a chicken breast. We are gonna fry. We are gonna French fry it with some cheese stuffed inside with a different protein pan. You can see that, you see me? And we are gonna make a cake. Bake a cake also by the river like we did the last time. For him father's birthday, and we are gonna put some chocolate coating over it. Y'all are gonna see everything, man. Just stick and stay and keep on watching, guys. If I get everything sorted out now, because it look like rain gonna start fall, so time to get everything sorted out so we can dip on track and get everything sorted out. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna set up the homemade oven, well, the riverside oven, to make the cake. So that's the pre right now, guys. So stick and stay and watch how I go on. Keep on watching. See, we can start the oven right now. Know what that is. Last time I right here, so we did it, so I just want the same spot. But a lot of sand here now, so we'll move a little bit still. Sand take over here, so man. Big up. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Seriously, after you provide more. She will walk with the Jericho. Yes. Copyright music. Guys, let's see if we can catch it for you now.
Yeah, we saw a stone at the bottom.
Yeah, maybe last time. Last time, I really need it. Nada feio. That's the where they come from? Enjay. Come on top and look for away. Did you first start out with down here? How come you look viciously like you ready for a dog spot, you know? Watch him. See, we are really thump. Where am I run to for? Yeah, what's supposed to buy it him? Gone again. Jaja. Oh, run gone. You go na cow there, guys. Go na feed cow. I'm gone for him cow, you know. Alright, people, so let's get back to business. We have the cake mix right here, so now. You want to cake mix, boy, yeah, be a cake. Put up more Alright, that's supposed to be good. Because the container very small, so you don't want to use too much and then it can't hold. And then again broke 3 egg, you know, so one egg then crack? This one?
I was telling you, I was listening.
Egg crack people. But that's at least still. And then you go put in the egg, with 3 egg. You know? Put 3. Don't make it sitting there run out. Because I need it. Fuck. Let's put it that side.
What I'm going in here.
One more. Should I use the crack one too? I already broke the off. Right, again then. And again, pour a little oil. Not a lot. You see people, we bake our own cake instead of go to the supermarket and buy. Yeah man, I put more still. Put more. You know, put in my cock. Just pour out some. Yeah. And then now, use the fork with some water, put some water in it. Mix up that. Why mix them?
Yeah, go on water.
I think so. Smells sweet. Alright people, so that's what I go now. The cake batter make out already, so guys. When this finish, you know you're going to put a nice chocolate coating over it. Yo, this will be crazy, yo, but for now, the fire seems really ready. So we'll spread this out now and we're going to put the tin inside, make it go on hot, but we'll give some oil for the grease because we don't have no butter. So the pre now, I've just get the tin on. I'll put some oil in it, so you know when you put the thing in it, in a stick to the bottom of the pan. And then we'll clean up a chicken breast and sort it out right here, so right side of the cake, so we could get that done.
Just say I put it on. That's the doing now. Mum nama big fire on the back and pan top.
It's already heat.
swell peak.
It's gonna be a cake.
That's what it will over. What they use me again?
Go.
Put.
Sweet potato and great Thai.
Yeah, good taste. Nice.
Lean. It's supposed to be good. Maybe I'll put this on top. Just right. That sometime Alright people, so here we have a chicken breast that we're going to use, another bag here. So I get it out now and show you what I'm going with it. So we're going to debone it and we're going to season it up, stuff it with the cheese, and we're going to put the coating over it, and then we're going to just drop it in the oil. So let's get that done. Alright people, so we're going, this is the chicken breast what we get from the supermarket. What I leave the funny. This is a chicken breast, guys. It's so heavy. This weigh I think 1.5 pounds. So I get this clean up now and season up. See the people? I debone and clean the chicken myself. It's the breast, chicken breast now. So right now, go and get it so we can get the cheese inside. How to do that now? I just do it like this. Run the knife through it. Board cheese. This
You know when you put cheese in? You know when you put cheese in?
See, we have the hole in it, so now we have a stuffed cheese down in it. It don't look right. Yeah, so we're gonna get it seasoned up now. And get the egg and everything sorted out, guys. So pepper dough. Alright guys, so right now this is what we're gonna use. Some Bigfoot spices. So instead of use flour, we're going to use this. So I'm going to season this and use for the chicken. So we have to get it crushed up first. I'll show you this out. In the bag. This will be the coating for the chicken. You can use breadcrumbs, you can use flour, whichever you choose. If you eat all this, I know maybe it's like, come like you know. Over there eat.
You know one more.
Eat the chips. Remember chips? Bigfoot. Spicy. It's not enough. Alright. So we're gonna season it with some all-purpose. Look. I see with some all-purpose now and chicken seasoning. Put some of that. Put some of that. And then we're going to season the chicken now. We're going to season the chicken breast. Yeah. Put some down there. Don't let the whole neck season it down in there. This don't look good. Alright. So The chicken well seasoned now. So right now, next thing to do is to get the egg on this. So don't forget use back on the bag then. Alright guys, so we're gonna use the egg.
Sitting a burn.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Stay really good. So I put the egg down put the chicken on the egg and get it all over it. I give it a few minutes this now guys. We're gonna try if we can get it on the pot on the fire so the oil can go on hot. So I make the pot hot, then we'll put some oil inside and time fry the fish, fry the chicken. So I can give you an insight on the cake. Go on. Oh my. That's no. Lean. Can't tell lean.
Think kita run back down? Think kita run back down? Like kita go run back down.
Back down.
Nggak dapat coba dong Gil.
On that side there. I'll put some oil on this now. Fry the breast.
Too much oil I use.
So guys, we get the cheese softened up so it melts easier. Melts easier inside of the.
Put in air fryer and melt easier.
Melt easier inside of the chicken. So I get the chicken now. And
We're cooking it too much.
why not? Let's go almost like that.
Yeah, like this.
Squeeze the cheese down inside of it now, guys. Alright, so watch out now, the oil hot. And time to get in this. So we're going to put in with a little thing we want on it. Flip it around. I don't want to get a bit matter. So people, you know, the cake kind of get a little, you know, color but on a burn. But this finished because we tasted it already. So yo, we're gonna get it off now. We're gonna put it right side of the river for you cool. And when it cool, you know we're gonna get the chocolate over it. So we're going to this spot now. Is the chicken. So I'm sure now I'm going to eat. Oh my word, look at that. Yo, cheese in that in it. When you cut this open today, you know. And that. You know, so I cover about this, make it go on fry proper way. And we'll get off this now. So people, I'll carry this. Side of the. Oh. Hey! What I gave it for? And he make it drop.
Wait, no.
Come, I'll put it there.
Catch yourself.
And the bone.
Come in.
Boom! Put on my finger, you know. So guys, you make it cool inside of the water, yeah. Yeah. So people, so I'm going to know. It's the ashes. Yeah, so I make that cool now. And a time to put on the chocolate on it. So I make that go on cool, give it like 10 minutes or so. So, you know, anything is possible. Right on the river. Ah, this burned my finger a while ago. Jaja. We are thief now. Ever I eat. So I go on in this spot now. Woo! Color pretty. This is looking amazing. I'm wearing a chicken breast. Doesn't take long to cook. Oh, that. So, cover about the pot. And we are gonna make that go on fry. That's how they pre now. Grass up in that plate. You wanna eat? Sure. Alright peeps, so you know we're gonna see if we can get the cake from out of the container now. Hopefully not feel me. Next you see a piece of half of it jump out. Next half in it. You know I go on to this now.
That's that stick.
Because of the butter we use. Now that's come out. Because I never butter. People watch out. Too much fire was underneath the cake. So you see what happened? You get piece. So we'll get off the brown, the black part to burn. And see if we can fix it up nice same way. Because you know on every day things are come out perfect and like we have a perfect oven out here. We just try something. Things don't always go as planned. So let's have to get off the burn part. I can't do anything else about it. Yeah. Too much fire did in underneath. That now it tastes bad. Then I go bitter my out. Bitter.
Nice.
Okay, we are going on now, people. So this is what we have. This is what we have right now. So creamy supreme frosting, milk chocolate. Like I say, we can do a little thing with it same way. See if we can get the cake nice same way. You know, not perfect, but still try. Honestly, I know me to get that one, so perfect one here. I need to grab my eat right now. See people, here we go. We have to remake this at home because too much fire was underneath this one, so you get a little burn. Yeah, Jack, it's a brick. Here you go, sir. Guys, look at this one. But I don't know what we do, but I'd go with on this. Ooh.
No. When it is, it's
Sweet
too much
with diabetes.
chocolate.
It is sweet. Guys, it's not perfect, but we still try something.
Yeah.
This is our cake. It looks better than it tastes better than it looks. Good. Just a little burn, too much fire was the pan. Right now, we could see if we mess up nothing else. We're gonna get out the chicken now and we're gonna cut it and we're gonna eat that. Alright people, so what you going? Chicken time. So this is our chicken now guys, what we did put in earlier. It's finished now. Wow. This looks super nice. Got some of the oil. Put it there. Oh, the cheese has come out. Look at that. I get some more fire underneath this people, make the leftover chicken fry. Yeah people, so the moment of shoot now, you can see how inside of this look. Charger. Cheese are melted already. I think cheese that's yellow. I feel like cheese now. Get white. So guys, this is Bigfoot cheese. Guys, we use Bigfoot. So, I'm gonna take sample it now. Until the taste. It pretty much tastes like cheese. But it's hot. Chicken are gone. Guys, let me know how they find us right now. But it's full. I have more chicken in that pot now. Am I fried? And then I'm at that again, like it's in a lay down. Guys, night have come. So, we're gonna finish up. We have to pack up the stuff them and head out. But I jump off in the river first and see what go on. And then straight home. So, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, yo. But the food, we'll take a 5-minute break. And I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Peace out for now.